Just imagine if your heart could drive a 20-ton vehicles. 20-ton vehicles? A human heart producing enough bioelectric energy to power something as massive as a 20-ton truck. It's a way of saying this energy within us is much greater than we realize. The science behind it: the average human heart produces about 1 to 1.5 watt of power continuously. Over a lifetime, this equals energy to drive a truck 20 miles per day. This is not literal for now, but it's a great metaphor for biological power and motivation in the bioenergy technologies.